Have you ever wondered how the rapid advancements in technology could be leveraged to earn money online? Welcome to our channel, Make Money Online, where we explore innovative ways to turn this possibility into reality. Today we're delving into a topic that's revolutionizing industries worldwide: artificial intelligence, AI. AI, in its simplest form, is a machine's ability to mimic human intelligence. It's a broad field with applications ranging from voice recognition to predictive analytics. But how can it be harnessed for financial gain? Consider futuretools.io, a platform that collects and organizes AI tools. Not only does it use AI to generate descriptions for each tool, but it also offers affiliate programs. Could promoting these AI tools be a new income stream for you? From AI writing tools that can help you offer writing services, to AI coding tools for app development, the possibilities seem endless. And that's just the beginning. So in today's video, let's discuss some best AI tools to earn online. futuretools.io. The beauty of futuretools.io lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a platform that brings together AI tools from various sources, providing a one-stop shop for anyone interested in AI. But it doesn't stop there. futuretools.io goes a step further by using AI to generate descriptions for each tool. This means that even if you're new to AI, you can quickly understand what each tool does and how it can be beneficial. Now, let's talk about the money-making aspect. futuretools.io offers affiliate programs, which are a popular method for earning money online. By promoting AI tools on your platform and directing traffic to futuretools.io, you can earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. This is a fantastic opportunity for those interested in AI and looking to make money online. But here's where it gets even more interesting. As AI continues to advance, more and more tools are being developed. This means that the potential for earning through futuretools.io is continually growing. So, the question isn't just about whether you can make money with AI, but how much you can make. AI writing tools. Welcome to the future of content creation, where AI writing tools are transforming the way we write. These tools, powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. Imagine being able to offer writing services across a range of genres and styles, all with the help of AI. From blog posts and articles to scripts and stories, the possibilities are endless. But how does this translate into earning potential? Well, content is the lifeblood of almost all digital marketing. Every website needs fresh, engaging content to attract and retain visitors. Every social media campaign relies on compelling copy to capture attention. Every email marketing campaign needs well-crafted messages to drive conversions. By leveraging AI writing tools, you can meet these content needs and offer your services to businesses and individuals. You could be the one-stop solution for all their content requirements. AI coding tools. Welcome to the world of AI coding tools. These tools are not just a futuristic concept but a present reality, and they are transforming the landscape of app development. AI coding tools, such as GitHub Copilot and Kite, are designed to assist developers in writing code more efficiently. They use machine learning algorithms to understand the context of the code you're writing and provide relevant suggestions. This can significantly reduce the time spent on debugging and searching for syntax errors, allowing developers to focus more on the logic and structure of the app. But how does this translate into a money-making opportunity? Well, with the efficiency and accuracy these tools provide, developers can take on more projects in less time. This means more income from freelance projects or a higher value proposition for potential employers. Moreover, these tools are not just for seasoned developers. Beginners and those interested in learning to code can also benefit from AI coding tools. They provide real-time guidance and suggestions, making the learning process more interactive and less daunting. This opens up opportunities for teaching coding, where you can leverage these tools to provide effective and engaging lessons. In a world where digital presence is crucial, businesses are always on the lookout for efficient and innovative apps. With AI coding tools, you can be at the forefront of meeting this demand. So why not explore these tools and see how they can enhance your coding skills and open new income streams? AI for social media management. In the digital age, social media management is a full-time job. From creating engaging content to interacting with followers, it can be a daunting task. But what if there was a way to automate these tasks? Enter AI for social media management. AI tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Sprout Social are revolutionizing the way we manage our social media accounts. These tools use AI to analyze your audience's behavior, suggest the best times to post, and even recommend content based on your followers' interests. Imagine being able to schedule a week's worth of posts in just a few minutes. Or better yet, having a tool that can create engaging content for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. AI is making this possible. But how does this translate into making money online? Well, businesses are always looking for ways to improve their social media presence. By offering social media management services using these AI tools, you can help businesses grow their online presence while earning a decent income. Moreover, these AI tools often have affiliate programs. This means you can earn a commission for every person who signs up for these tools using your referral link. So why not leverage the power of AI to not only manage your social media accounts but also earn money online? Start exploring these AI tools today and see the difference they can make in your social media management strategy. Remember, the future of social media management is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to be a part of it? So what's stopping you from leveraging the power of AI to earn money online? We've explored a variety of AI tools today, each with its unique potential to generate income. FutureTools.io, for instance, not only organizes AI tools but also uses AI to generate descriptions for each tool. Imagine the possibilities if you were to join their affiliate program. So as we conclude, ask yourself, am I ready to explore these websites and start earning money using AI? Remember, the future is here, and it's brimming with opportunities. Don't let them slip away. Start your AI journey today.